Alright, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I took this trade, the steps, the things I looked at, and why I took it in general. This is a trade on AUD USD on Monday, December 30th, 2024. I took the short at 21.41, so at 9.41. And why did I take that? I'll get into that later. So what do we see? Let me just clear the chart and mark out where I took the trade so I don't lose track. So what do I see if we hop onto the daily chart of this? We see that we are heading down. We are heading towards this draw on liquidity right about here. This is our sell side liquidity. We are heading towards it. Technically, we could still find a bunch of short models for this time, but I'm not going to trade because it's New Year's Eve. By the way, I hope you guys have your New Year's resolution set up and everything ready. You guys are going to do good. So what do we see after that move? If we hop onto the 4 hours, we're seeing that we're generally in a shorts setup. So boom, in the morning, we took out this, we touched into this order block, or like at 1 a.m. ish, we touched into this order block, and we are just continuing the move down towards this draw on liquidity. I could have, if I was up at 1 a.m., I could have taken that short right there. But what's it called? I don't trade at 1 a.m. So yeah. All right. So if we hop onto the 1 hour, what do we see? The same thing is happening. We also just took out like a sell side liquidity. What I could say might happen is or predict, we might come into this rebalance that like sell side liquidity that we just took out and then continue going shorts. That's a possible trade setup. All right. So if we hop onto the what's it called? Let's hop onto the 1 minute or the 3 minute. Actually, let's do 15. I think there's stuff on the 15 as well. On the 15, we see that we are within. Yeah, that's what it was. On the 15, we see that we moved off of this 15-minute order block, and we're continuing to move that. This is kind of when I start to take my trade. I missed this order block move, but I would have technically traded like off of the order block, this 15-minute one, but I wasn't on my charts at the time. So if we hop onto the 3 minutes, I try to find another trade that could kind of make up for the one I just missed. And what did we notice? We noticed that we retraced into this 3-minute fair value, order block, as well as from the SMT. All right. So from the SMT, we're starting to move down. We are within an order block, a 15-minute order block. We are respecting it. We retraced into 3-minute. I traded it off of the respected. So like when it got respected, so I kind of zoomed into the 1 minute. When I started to see that it was kind of getting respected, I entered short. I wanted to enter short right here, but I got caught down here because of the broker and stuff. I placed my stops on that high, and I placed my take profit on this swing low. Just scalped it, or I just quickly traded it. So maybe wait, because I remember I had a 7.7. All right, let's say roughly around here. I want to be precise. So this was the trade I took. Oh, also keep in mind we're within this fair value gap right here. 1 minute fair value gap. Hey, oops. We're within this 1 minute fair value gap. That kind of just acted like a resistance zone. This is just something I marked out. I just kind of saw this. This would have been, I guess, something that I would have shorted, but because I joined in late, I kind of got lucky. So this is something that that would have cooked me. I would have shorted this possibly, and I'm being really honest with you. And then I would have seen that we were moving down to, like, this would have been my original trade. I would have gotten stopped out. But the thing is, I got lucky that I kind of joined in late and found this order block that we were respecting. So that's 7.7 now. Yeah, okay. This is literally the trade. That's all it is. It's a very simple trade, very simple model. I called this trade out on my free Discord server. And a lot of people calling me a hindsight trader, or not a lot. There's just one guy that commented, said I was a hindsight trader. On this trade in particular, I called out on my Discord server. You could go through the chat history, and also I caught a trade on NAS 100 today live. I literally had it recorded. There's people that were with me trading it. I could have actually held, but there's literally people with me that were trading it. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in learning how to day trade or just trading with me in general, I actually have a free Discord community right here where we just kind of trade. Fuck. Okay, it gets weird sometimes, but yeah, we just talk about trading. We talk about whatever. It's completely free, by the way. Don't forget that it's completely free. And yeah, by the way, subscribe, comment, like, help me out. Peace.